Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Inequality series. So, recall in the last video, we had set up the 6 conditions and 6 clue to solving the system, right? Remember, our goal is to find A, B, and C so that we find the magic number, and then later on we can insert back into the inequalities. So today, let me go ahead and help you guys solve it together. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I would like to rewrite it, the system equation. So we have 4a squared minus a squared x equal 4 plus x. 5b squared minus b squared y equal 5 plus y. 6c squared minus zc squared equals 6 plus z. X plus y plus z equal 9. And then we have 1 over a minus a squared over 2a equal 1 minus b squared over 2b. And we also have 1 minus b squared over 2b equal 1 minus c squared over 2c. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and label them so later, when you solve the system, it's easier to reference. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started. You notice on 5, there's some sort of symmetry for two sides, left and right. So this is a good place to start. So from 5, we can say, if you do cross multiplication, you get 1 minus a squared times 2b equal 1 minus b squared times 2a. So I say this is because of cross multiplication. Okay, so let's go ahead and expand it out a bit. So you get 2b minus a squared times 2b equal 2a minus b squared times 2a. Okay, so let's go ahead and put everything from the right to left by recalling the fact that if a equal b, then a minus b equals 0. So 2b minus a squared times 2b minus 2a plus b squared times 2a equals 0. Okay, and I can start to group them. So I can group these with this 2b 2a, and then this one with this one. So I can write, my bad, let me use the correct color. So this is 2 times b minus a plus 2ab times b minus a equals 0. So you can say 2 plus 2ab times b minus a equals 0 because we just factor it out. And you notice that 2 plus 2ab is greater than 0 because on our previous statement right here, we state that ABC is a positive number. I think I did say that, right? Yeah, let me make a note here. Probably we haven't said it yet. So A, B, C greater than 0 or is a positive number. Okay, so with that being said, then you have B minus A equals 0 and you have A equal B. So similarly, from 6, you can say that B equals C, right? Because you're gonna do the same manipulation and you will get the same result. Okay, so we have a very nice result. We have A equal B and then B equals C. So we can say that it is A equal B equal C. Okay, so let's go ahead and now solve for x, y, z in terms of ABC. So solve for x, y, z in terms of A, B, and C. How are you going to do that? You're going to start with 1. So from 1, you can have 4a squared minus 4 equal a squared x plus x, right? Do to cross multiplication, and then you can say that x equal to 4a squared minus 4 over a squared plus 1. Okay, just divide both sides by a squared plus 1. Similarly, from 2, let me see what we have. So from 2, you have 5b squared minus b squared y equal 5 plus y. So you can get, if you rearrange the equation a bit, put y in one side and the rest from to the left hand side, you get 5b squared minus 5 equal b squared y plus y. So you get 5b squared minus 5 over b squared plus 1 equal y, right? And similarly from 3, you get 6c squared minus 6 equal z times c squared plus z. So you can conclude that z equal to 6c squared minus 6 over c squared plus 1. Wonderful. Now we have xyz in terms of ABC, right? And you also notice that x plus y plus z equal to 9. Okay, so now we can go ahead and substitute in a, b, and c. So you get what's x? 4a squared minus 4 over a squared plus 1. So 4a squared minus 4 over a squared plus 1 plus 5b squared minus 5 over b squared plus 1 plus 6c squared minus 6 over c squared plus 1 equal to 9, right? And recall that we also have a equal b equal c, which is really cool. We just derive that very nice symmetry over there on top. So we can go ahead and make this one variables only. Let's convert everything to a. Okay, so you will have 4a squared minus 4 over a squared plus 1 plus 5a squared minus 5 over a squared plus 1 plus 6a squared minus 6 over a squared plus 1 equal 9. Okay, and a squared plus 1 is going to be our common denominator. And on top, we're going to have 4a squared plus 5a squared plus 6a squared is 15a squared. Okay, minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 is minus 15 equal to 9. Okay, and then you can solve for a. You can do some cross multiplication. 5a squared minus 15 equal 9a squared plus 9. You do some rearrangement. 5a squared minus 9a squared equal 15 plus 9. So you get a squared equal 4. So you get a equal 2 because remember, a is a positive number. So a cannot be negative 2. Okay, a can only be 2. Better, you can write a equal b equal c equal 2. Okay, so yeah, we have find a, b, and c using this system equation. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and substitute back into our original result and see what we obtain. Thank you y'all for your attention, and I'll see you in the next video.